In today's video, you will learn how to add tags to a Microsoft Word document. To get started, focus on the File tab located at the top left. This section contains important information about your document beyond just the text itself. Once you are there, look to the left panel and select Info. This area shows details related to the document, including permissions, size, and descriptive information. On the right side of the screen, you will see a section labeled Properties. This is where Word allows you to store useful metadata about the file. Under this section, you will find the option to add tags. Click directly on the Add Tag field to begin. Once the field is active, you can type in any word or phrase you want to use as a tag. Tags can describe the topic, project name, category, or anything that helps you recognize the document later. If you want to add multiple tags, simply separate each one with a comma. Word automatically recognizes each comma as a new tag, allowing you to add several keywords in one go. This flexibility makes tags extremely useful. You can be specific or general depending on your needs, and you can update or change them at any time. Tags do not affect the content of your document, so they are safe to use without worrying about formatting or layout changes. After adding your tags, they are saved automatically with the document. There is no extra button to click or setting to confirm. From that point on, your document can be searched and filtered using those tags, making file management much smoother. Using tags consistently can save you a lot of time, especially when working across multiple documents or folders. They help create an organized system that works quietly in the background while you focus on your actual work. This is a very straightforward process, but it is one that many people overlook. Once you start using tags regularly, you will notice how much easier it becomes to keep everything organized and accessible. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.